Hello students, in the previous class we have studied about the meanings of crops and its classification. In today's class we will discuss about growing a plant. Have you ever grown a plant? What are the steps in the process of growing the plant? There are many steps in growing the plant. They are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, removing of weeds, harvesting, storage of food and grains. Let us discuss all these steps one by one. The first step is preparation of soil. The soil is prepared for sowing the seeds of the crops by plowing, leveling and manuring. What is the meaning of plowing? The process of loosening and turning the soil is called plowing or tilling. Manuring. Manuring means adding manure to soil. Manuring is done to increase the fertility of the soil before seeds are sown into it. Agricultural implements. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil clumps to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. There are plow, one more tool is cultivator. Let us talk about plow. A plow is a farm tool for loosening or turning the soil before sowing seed or planting. Plows were traditionally drawn by oxen and horses, but in modern farms are drawn by tractors. A plow may have wooden, iron or steel frame with a blade attached to cut and loosen the soil. Hoe. This is one more tool. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron, a strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. Let us talk about cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. Look at the pictures of cultivator. Sowing. The process of scattering seeds or putting seeds in the ground soil for growing the crop plants is called sowing. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds free from infections and diseases. Methods of sowing seeds. By scattering the seeds in the field by hand or manual sowing, this method is called broadcasting. This is used in case of wheat seeds sown by this method are unevenly distributed in the field. By using seed drills, seeds can also be sown by using a simple implement called a seed drill. Seeds sown with a seed drill are: first one, evenly distributed with proper distance, and second step is reach the right depth. A seed drill consists of 5 to 6 long vertical pipes with a funnel at the top. The drill is attached to a plow. It may be driven by bullocks or by a tractor. Let us understand seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. Adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in a particular nutrient. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonia sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK. Shortly we are saying nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. Okay students, did you understand today's class? The remaining part of the lesson will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.